In today's video, I'm going to show you IKEA TIMMERFLOTTE review. The IKEA TIMMERFLOTTE is a compact and affordable smart home sensor that measures temperature and humidity with simplicity and practical value in mind. Designed around the Open Matter standard, it aims to make smart home monitoring easier by working with a wide range of ecosystems such as IKEA's own Dirigira Hub, Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon, Alexa, and other Matter-compatible systems, while also displaying readings directly on the device without needing an app for basic use. This blend of smart connectivity and direct local feedback gives it a flexibility that's rare at its price point. Setting up the TIMMERFLOTTE is straightforward in many smart home setups, requiring just 2 batteries and either Matter pairing via QR code or simple integration into a hub. Once connected, it reliably reports environmental conditions and can be used to trigger automations like turning on fans or dehumidifiers based on measured values. Reviewers note that the readings are generally accurate and its minimalist design slots nicely into modern interiors, though the display only activates when pressed and doesn't stay on constantly. That said, user experiences vary with connectivity. Some owners report occasional pairing challenges or stability quirks, especially when integrating with certain hubs or thread networks, while others say that once properly paired, it works smoothly. A firmware update has resolved some issues, but thread network behavior can still be finicky depending on setup and surrounding devices. For budget-conscious buyers willing to navigate Matter or thread networks, the TIMMERFLOTTE delivers strong value as a smart environment monitor. This makes the TIMMERFLOTTE a noteworthy option if you're dipping into smart home sensors without paying for more expensive alternatives. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.